Hi, Olivia. Did you have 2 cupcakes? Do you have a lot of sugar? Hey, can I see your toofies? Go. Smile. Cheese.
Are those your teeth?
Are those your toofies?
Are those your toothies?
Yeah, look at those toofies. Is that your chair?
But you gotta sit on your bottom.
You gotta sit on your bottom.
You gotta sit on your bottom. You get in the chair, you gotta be careful, and then you gotta sit on your bottom. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. Is that Dada? Yeah. What?
No more cupcake.
Oh.
You're good.
Oh, Daddy's cupcake. That's Daddy's cupcake.
That's Daddy's cupcake. It's Daddy's cupcake. You had some earlier. No, that's Ruru. Ruru.
Show me your teeth. Where's your backpack? Where's your giraffe backpack? Okay. Really? Yeah.
Are you bringing Sexy back?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is that your backpack?
Is that the backpack?
Backpack. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. Backpack. Yeah. So, did you have fun at school today with Ivan? And Emma? Emma. Yes.
Emma.
Where's Willie?
Where's Willie?
Where's Willie? I don't know where's Willie? I don't know. Do you give Ruru a hug?
We give Ruru a hug?
Oh, Ruru needs hugs. And come give Ruka a hug. Come give
Ruka a hug. Oh, very sweet.
Give
Very
Ruru
sweet.
a hug.
It's the brownie.
Did you like the brownie? Or did you like the cupcake? Did you have pizza for dinner? Yeah? Pizza? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Jeez.
Careful. Careful, sweetheart. You gotta sit on your bottom.
Your bottom.
Sit on your bottom. Yeah. Yay!
Yay! You what?
You wanna play it?
Do.
Gotta pull your chair up to it.
So fun.
You gotta
5,
take your
6.
chair. There you go. Move it over. Either one. You can pull that to you or move your chair. If you talk to it, it might move too. I don't know. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I got some.
Oh.
I got.
On your bottom. On your bottom. Thank you. On your bottom. Yeah.
Where's Olivia? Where's Olivia? Where is she? There she is. Where's Olivia? There, boo, there she is. I can draw and learn. Let the numbers shape me if I can learn with you. Daddy's eating the cake.
You want another little piece?
Olivia, you want a piece of cupcake? Do you want some cupcake?
Careful, sweetheart. Careful.
Where's Willie?
Oh. Where is he? I don't
Where?
know. Call him.
Willie! Call Willie.
Willie.
Say Willie. Where's the kitty at?
Are you still taping it? It's gonna be a long video.
Where? Where's Rubu? Where's Rubu? Hey, Olivia, what does the lion say? Yeah. Olivia, what does the cow say? Moo. What?
Okay. Go.
Olivia, how old are you? Can you say 1? Say I'm 1 year old. Are you 1? How old are you?
2.
Oh, okay, we'll say 2, but we'll say 1. Okay.
We'll say 2, but we'll show 1.
Yeah. How old are you? 1.
1.
How old?
Oh, okay.
Whoop.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
You're okay. You can get out of it.
It's okay.
You're okay.
Watch out, Ruru.
Gotta be careful when you sit on your chair.
Got it on your bottom.
You
Good.
gotta sit
Watch
on
out,
the bottom.
Ruka.
You're okay.
Where's your giraffe?
Hmm?
Are we gonna take a bath? Can you say hi, Grandma? Hi, Grandpa. Are you done? Are you finished? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Learn. Let the numbers shape me. Willie?